Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to show you how to solve these questions literally orally, or maybe like a 2-second pause and you will get your answers. Okay, very basic understanding is you need to be very powerful at your division tricks. Okay, so in case you're not confident about division, then there is a link on top which will give you the rules of division for all of these numbers. Okay, you need to be very perfect in that. Okay, so now first question over here is basically today I'm going to solve only number system questions, and all of these questions have been asked in UPSC, railways, bank PO. Okay, it has been part of many of these entrances, so I've picked out those questions which are most often asked. Okay sorry. So the question is, how many numbers between 800 to 2000 are divisible by 13? Okay, please understand here, even if you don't get the exact division, you just have to find the roundabout quotient. Okay, so here first we will do what? You will divide 800 by 13. So now I know that 13 ones are, and 6 gets me 78. So when you take 78 from 80, you're left with 2. So 2 and this 0 gets you 20. So you're left with 20. Sorry, so 13 ones are gets you 13. So when you take 7 out of it, you will get what? Sorry, when you take 13 from 20, you will be left with 7. Okay, now please understand, here you do not have to go to the decimal part. You will just stick to the number part of your quotient. Okay, now this is 2000. This is divided by 13. So now this will be what? 1s are, then you're left with 7. So you will now get 5s are, and you're left with 5. So this will be 3s are. Okay, so 153 and 61. Now in order to get your final answer, you should just do what? You should just subtract 153 by 61. The answer is going to be 2 and 92. So here your answer is, there are 92 numbers between 800 to 2000 which are divisible by 13. So see, please understand, I have taken one type, okay, of each of these numbers. So this kind of question whenever happens, so you just have to simply divide the number with the first upper bound and the last lower bound, sorry, the lower bound and the upper bound, and then whatever quotient you get, you just have to subtract them, and that will get you the final answer. Okay, so now over here the next question is, find the 5-digit number divisible by 81 and is the largest 5-digit number. Okay, so basically 81, I know it is nothing but 9 into 9. So I need to find a number out of all of these options which are going to be divisible by 9. Okay, so 9 and 9. Okay, so please understand, whenever you add 9, if your number is 94, if you add these two you will get what? 13. And when you add these two, you will again get 4. So basically whenever you have any number with 9, you just have to cancel this. The sum will always be that simple number. You don't have to count the 9. Okay, so now over here what should be your sum? In order to divide, in order for all of these numbers or any of these numbers to be divisible by 81, it has to be, the sum has to be 9. So this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel, the sum is 8. So this is gone. This is cancel, sum is 1, this is also gone. Cancel, 8 plus 7 gets you how much? 15 plus 6 gets you 21, sum is 3, this is cancelled. Cancel, 5 plus 4 gets you 9. So out of all of these options, only C option is correct. Students, please understand, not necessarily always you have to work towards your answer. Sometimes from the options also you can get your answer. So this is one of those kind of questions. Okay students, now let's come to the next part of our question. So the next questions are these two, but before going ahead, I would like to remind all of y'all, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay now students, how many digits between 1 to 900? So 1 to 900 or 0 to 900 or up to 900. It's the same logic will work. Okay, are not, this is very important, are not divisible by 2, 3, 5. So here in this case what you should do is, like I said, 1 or 0 is the same thing, so we'll take the difference. So you get 900 into, now you will put everything into denominator, all the three numbers into denominator, and your numerator will be 1 less than the denominator. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so here what happens is 3 ones are 300s are, 5 ones are 60s are, okay, and 2 ones are and 30s are. So 2 into 4 gets you how much? 8. 8 into 3 will get you, 8 into 30 will get you what? 240. So 240 is my right answer for this kind of a question. Okay, please understand, if this was started by 1, still we will consider it as 0 only. Okay, this is the little bit I can say hiccup in this kind of a trick. Okay, because why? Because this trick normally works for everything else. If your starting number is 1, you will take it as 0. Okay, but what happens if your starting number is not 1? It will be 200 to 800. Then what you do is, first you do the subtraction. So 800 minus 200, what you get is 600. Now you will multiply this by 5 and 7. The numerator will be 1 less than 5, which is 4, and 1 less than 7, which is 6. Okay, now students, please remember, at the end of this video there will be a DIY question for all of y'all. You will use the trick shown in the video and let me know your answers in the comment section. Okay, so now for this one we have, let's cancel this. 5 ones are 120s are. Apart from this is nothing is get cancelling. So we have 120 into 4, that gets you how much? 480. 480 into 6 gets you, carry 2880, divide by 7. So now over here when you divide this by 7, you get 4s are, then 1s are, and then 1s are. Again, in these particular tricks you are not going to sit and round off, or you are not going to look at numbers after the decimal point. You're just going to concentrate on the number part of your quotient. Okay, or of your answer. So your 411 is your final answer. Now time for your DIY. Do let me know how many numbers from 1000 to 5000 are divisible by 2 to 5. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.